Hello, this is Lionel. I'm going to show you how can we build a simple Qt QML QtQuick application to Ubuntu Touch devices. For this example, I just used one project proposed by the wizard. I chose that one. As you can see, I can test it on my desktop, and this is a very simple application. So the aim is to build it to Ubuntu Touch. I use clickable tool, which is a tool that we use to be able to build and to deploy, to publish, to deploy to Ubuntu Touch devices. So how does it work? Let's see the source code. I added a subdirectory here. You can see that all files are in packaging Ubuntu Touch, and we have 4 files. The entry point for the clickable tool is here, and we must specify that we will use the template cmake in order to find that file at the root directory. And we use an argument that we will pass to cmake a command, which is Ubuntu Touch. It can be anything you want, and we will see later how it works in cmake list. We have 3 files. The aim here is to build a package. Ubuntu Touch use click package. You can see documentation on internet, but we have to bundle at least 3 files to make a good package. AppArmor file is where we can define permission settings. I don't have any here because this is a simple application. I don't use audio nor network, nothing else. We have a desktop file, which is the launcher that is used by the desktop, the Ubuntu Touch desktop. Here we have to declare the binary that I will use. I will build HW, and the icon, that's the main point here. Okay. In the manifest, it's where we declare the application, the name, the title, where you have to find the AppArmor file, the desktop file, the version, some useful informations. So the main thing we have to do is only to bundle all that file to a package. So let's see the cmake list. This is the generated part from Qt Creator. I only added those lines. As you can see here, we have an argument, Ubuntu Touch, and this point to that one. When we will launch clickable command, it will add that argument. That argument, you can use it in the cmake list, and the aim here is just to copy manifest AppArmor desktop manifest file and also the icon to the build directory, as you can see here. So let's see how they work. I'm going to screencast my device, and in parallel I will launch my build. As you can see here, I use command clickable, and I can tell him that I want that JSON, that clickable.json, to be parsed. Up. This is a build system. Here you can see that he bundle all the files, and he generate a click package here that he pushed to the device and then launch it. As you can see here, this is my device. Up. That is a perfect usable application. So this example work with Qt 5.9, and you can find source code in the description of the video. So thank you, bye bye.